Journalists Association has been told to pay about $400,000 in profits tax. The Inland Revenue Department told the city's biggest union for journalists that the tax for the 2017-18 financial year was based on the amount it had in bank deposits. Taxes for the following years may also be imposed.
I feel quite shocked about the claimings. For the short period, it seems that we can still run smoothly. But, this is the first time that they raised this request. If, lastly, that we may charge more than $1 million tax to pay, that it must have some quite large extent to affect our operation.
Chan said the association is a labor union and its revenue comes from selling souvenirs and its annual fundraising dinners. As such, he said it's unreasonable for the government to impose a tax based on its bank deposits. The association will file an objection.